Hi folks, John Richardson here. January 2019, welcome. We just finished the show down at the RV Palooza. I'm going to take time to show you a 25W, which is a rear kitchen 2019 Arctic Fox. I'll hit on some highlights and then we'll go inside because it's cold out here. Start off with, we got two 7.5 gallon propane tanks. We got an electric jack. We have a fiberglass, full fiberglass front cap with your LED lights, LED rope lighting here, aerodynamically designed to give us a whole lot better gas mileage as we're pulling the thing down the road. Then of course we've got storage here in the front. I want to show you one of the reasons the Arctic Fox is a four-season coach. You got big, thick compartment doors to keep the cold out. Magnetic latches. Look at the storage space we got in here. Lots and lots of storage. You'll see there's a clothes hamper. I'll show you what that goes to. We have a kill switch for power located here. Like I said earlier, these are built in La Grande, Oregon. In my opinion, I've been doing this now for 28 years. This is the best built travel trailer that I am aware of, and I've been doing this a long time right here at Guaranty. Okay, double door, electric awning with an adjustable pitch. What that means is I can drop one side of the awning down to keep the rain off of it. Of course, it's an electric awning, so they have all the upgrades. We've got some storage here underneath one of the booths in here. I will show you on the inside, tell you a little bit more. We've got a lot of road noise out here, so we'll go inside so that you can hear me. Even though I do have a loud voice, they might be able to drown it out. Okay, a couple of the things I want to talk about here being a rear kitchen is solid surface countertops with built-in sink, stainless steel sinks, a 22-inch oven, 3-burner stove, gas, electric, refrigerator, microwave, and bar none, more storage than any trailer on the market for its size. Anywhere you look, not only does it have cabinets, but it has shelves in the cabinets. So here, a shelf. This costs more money to put a shelf in it. This is a four-season coach, and what makes it a four-season coach is, and when I say four-season, what that means is this is made for cold weather camping, whether you be an elk hunter or whether you be somebody that wants to go up into very cold weather over in Prineville, over in Bend, up elk hunting. You don't have to worry about your tanks freezing up. And the reason for that, it's a dedicated holding tank area where your holding tanks are built below the frame. By the way, Northwood makes their own frame certified by a third party, so it's not just them saying they build a good sturdy coach. It's a third party, Pac West, verifying that what they're saying is true. Okay, so lots and lots of counter space, little knife rack behind the stove, galley faucet here, more cabinets here. And when somebody's wanting a rear kitchen, they want to have some windows around it, and they want to have lots of storage up above their countertops so that they can get to the dishes and the things that they need in the kitchen. That's why they're buying a rear kitchen. This has got it. Skylight above it. So you'll notice here, even though it's not real bright out, we got plenty of light in here. We don't have to turn lights on, although as we're scanning the top of this, you're going to see there's lots of lights with dimmer switches and 100-watt stereo speakers, that type of thing. We have drawers underneath our booth here. Being a rear kitchen, we got the booth right here by the door. We have drawers underneath so you don't have to tear everything apart to get at something in the booth. Very, very well-made booth. Very, very comfortable. You got 2 recliners complete with massage, heat. We were doing the RV Palooza here over the weekend. Guess what I sat in? One of these was plugged in, and I had heated chair, heated massage. It was a rough weekend, but we made it through it. So you've got Thomas Paine recliners with massagers and heat, all that stuff. Indirect LED lighting. This, of course, is our slide out. You'll notice the crowned roof. This has a 5.5-inch trussed roof in it, R18 in the ceiling. So not only do you don't have to worry about cold coming up from the ground, you don't have to worry about cold coming in, and you don't have to worry about noise. One of the things about this, with all this insulation in it, in fact, I'm going to shut this door just to kind of show you, and you'll, if you pay attention, you will notice I just shut out about 80% of the road noise outside. And that's very important if you're sitting in an RV park or something where there's a lot of traffic going in and out. You're not hearing a whole pile of noise. Okay, more cabinets. TV already included in the rig. See if I can put it back down. More cabinets here, all your hookups, air conditioning, dimmer switch, more storage here, shelves in your cabinet here. Here we have a coat rack. We have little extended tables here. We have another shelved area here, so lots and lots of storage in your slide out. Then of course we go into the bathroom, which can also be accessed from the bedroom. In here you will notice that we have a glassed-in shower, big with a skylight above it. And talking about the skylight, that's a double insulated skylight, so you don't have to worry about, you know, freezing cold and one piece of plastic up there. So in this rig you got the porcelain throne, you got the sink, cabinet underneath it, medicine cabinet above the throne with shelves in it. And here's the nice part, you can get into the bedroom either from the bathroom, and what I feel is nice about this is that in the event that there's company in the living room, Mama's decided to sleep in a little while, she's not subject to having to go from the bedroom all the way across company to get to the bathroom. She can just get up, go into the bathroom, put her face on, comb her hair, that type of thing. Lots and lots of cabinets across the top on both sides. Notice the little things that they do. It says Northwood on it. Fantastic fan up here. Inside your fiberglass cap, headboard, indirect lighting, a 60 by 80 pillow top mattress with storage underneath it. And of course we also have an outside door besides the bathroom on the hallway side. The other thing about the Arctic Fox, we always order them in with your double insulated windows. So if you got any other questions, please feel free to call me, John Richardson. My number's right here. Or better yet, just come on out and ask for JR, and I'll take you out here and show you this or any other of the Arctic Foxes that we have, or Nashes. We got them both coming in at all times. I believe we have over 100 different units coming in this year. So please get a hold of me. Let's get you out here camping. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it very much.